All right, you are at the tail end of this practicum. So to end it all, you are going to be now creating a lesson plan that you'll be using for the full day. So instead of just offering one experience based off of one domain, I'm now going to have you planning for the whole day. And so you're going to create an experience for every one of the domains for that day, and you're also going to be offering a music and movement opportunity and also a sensory opportunity. So this is what lesson planning is. Instead of just doing one child for one thing, now you're doing it for the whole day, okay? So in your toddler classroom, let me know how many kids are in that classroom, what the age range is. And then I want you to think about, now, again, you've done a lot of observing for those first 5 weeks. You had to really break all that down. You also created experiences for the environment. So you really should know where your children are at when it comes to all those different domains, okay? So what I want you to do is think of health and physical experience. It can be based on anything. Now, I'm not having you observe and write down observations, but just anything that you feel could be appropriate regarding maybe fine motor, which has to do with hand movement, or gross motor, which is the large muscles. Any kind of experience whatsoever you want to offer, what materials would be needed, and why do you feel that this would be an appropriate experience for your children. So what you're going to do is you are going to create an experience in all of the different developmental domains. Write down the experience, what materials will be needed, and you better justify, not you better, but justify for me why it is that you feel that it is appropriate to do that. Okay, so you're going to do that for all of these different domains. Then you're also going to add in the music and movement. Now, let's say for the cognitive and general knowledge, you did something with music and movement. Doesn't matter if you did music and movement here, I still want another music and movement experience down here. So even if you did a sensory experience up here, you're going to still do another sensory experience. So I want every single one of these filled in with a different type of experience is what I'm looking for. So what you'll do is you'll write up all the different experiences. This week, you're going to come up with those. And then next week, I want you to actually offer them. Okay, so you're creating them this week, you're offering them next week, and then after you're done offering them, hope you're not getting dizzy, I want you to then reflect on how everything went. And this is how you're going to conduct these last couple of weeks. So this week you create different experiences based on all the different domains. You're basically doing a lesson plan, a full day lesson plan, which is what I'm asking for the class. And then you're going to offer all of those different experiences next week. And then next week, you're also going to create another group of full day lesson plans. And then the following week, you offer it again. So for these last couple of weeks, every week, you are going to come up with a full day lesson plan and you're going to offer the experience the following week to all of the children in the classroom. So that's what I'm asking you to upload. And that is how you are going to end your practicum experience in the advanced practicum class at MATC. If you have any questions, please, please, please shoot me an email. Otherwise, have fun with this. This is like the full teaching thing. You're going through the whole thing right here. Have fun. Come up with some fun, creative stuff. And I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. All right. Ta-ta.